Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today we're going to talk about the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season. Is it going to be hyperactive? So, if you don't know what is a hyperactive season, then you probably don't like it. But a hyperactive season is like a crazy hurricane season where the ace is high, a lot of hurricanes are high, major hurricanes. It's insane. But let's talk about it. Right now, you're looking at the map that shows deep ocean water temperature, deep ocean, and this is for 80 degrees Fahrenheit. You see this? Water is freaking deep, very low, no, very deep into the seas at 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This is insane for this time of year. This is crazy. It's all the way out to 40 degrees now. You won't see that. So so this will just be a discussion about the crazy stuff. Oh, there it is. And this is the track for tropical. What it is, because a lot of people call very active with the amount of eggs produced. The amount of eggs is just crazy. The longer a storm lives, the more eggs it's gonna get. And the stronger it is, the higher chance it gets way more eggs. And people like the eggs prefer than the main storms, because that tells you how much energy they produce. So we're going to go to models. This is a windshield model for the GFS model. Right now, there's a lot of wind shear right at the Africa area, Western Africa, where tropical waves come from right now, and right now, right now. So watch this right now. You're gonna see all this wind shear just slowly go down. You get weaker and weaker. You see that low pressure system? It's not there. Now it's right there. Now it's dead. Now it's alive. Now it's dead. You see this? The Atlantic becomes shade, but well, not everything. But it becomes almost good for tropical storms. And then the Atlantic is pretty good. I mean, pretty good for that time. Okay, so let's talk about the moisture. We can't talk about the wind shear without talking about the upper level moisture. And if you don't talk about that, and you only say the wind shear, you're probably gonna not get a strong season. Wind shear doesn't do everything. Dry. Great, now it's not loading. It's broken. So we get some moisture. So right now, there's dry air. So watch this. Wave. We get another pool of dry, the Sahara. It gets, watch this. Another big puff of moisture comes into the another one, and this is what the model is saying. At August the 4th. So this also dry air, but way less. It's gonna be way more. And that is here. It's gonna be a bit less than what we're getting. Like, not that much a change because it's still early August. Okay, here's something that might why I said this hurricane season might be scary. This, if the hurricane season, because this is the potential maximum central pressure. And look at this. This could be pressure up to 88 millibars. 880 millibars in the Gulf of Mexico. And I lost. But this is not what I'm going to show you right now. This is green means green actually means tropical pressure. Tropical storm is yellow. You see the colors? Look at this. Most of the Atlantic can hold a category 4 hurricane potential. And even the Gulf of Mexico and the MDR, I forgot to call it that, even the MDR can hold a category 5 hurricane. And yesterday it was not that much widespread. To this day, it's widespread. It's very dangerous. If this hurricane season, that giant wind shear coming very much earlier and the warm waters are very strong, it will be a bad hurricane season, and could be historic depending on what happens. It's just depending on how warm the water gets and how favorable the atmosphere gets. Because if the atmosphere is favorable, it's gonna be a bad day for us. So yeah, bad day for us. And anyways, we're gonna check on. Okay, let's just on the water temperature of the ocean right now. It's just broken. I don't know, but everyone's talking about it. It's just crazy. The Atlantic is 0.5 degrees Celsius above the average. Imagine El Nino is 0.5 Celsius for the 3 months, at least 3 months. And that's basically what it is. It's like an El Nino, but it's not El Nino. So I don't know what's happening today, this year. But trying to see this. This is the ocean temperatures. This is crazy. It's way more than normal. You've never seen it. Last time I showed you, it was not that bad. This time it's just boom. If the water temperature is even reaches right here, right next to Spain at 26 degrees Celsius at August, like mid-August, we should probably be in big trouble. So guys, do not snooze around with this hurricane season, because I forgot to tell you 165 knots is a 185 to 190 miles per hour hurricane. And in the Gulf and in the MDR, you could actually sustain a 190 or 185 miles per hour hurricane or more. So if you snooze around this hurricane season, you're about to die. Not about to die. Don't snooze around. Pay attention to hurricane season as much as possible, and do not snooze around. If you see a tropical wave coming off of Africa, you can look at it when you get have a chance. Look at it. You need to find out if it poses a threat to you. I have to watch it carefully, because one day you might say, oh, not about a threat, and the next 5 days it's pointing towards you at a strong landfall. You don't want that. The more chances that you know hurricane is coming towards you, the more chances that you can get repaired. And today, you should probably get your aid kit this year. Make your plans right now and today And then you guys could be safe from this hurricane season. And I don't forget about the tornadoes. That will be up to the next video. So guys, like and subscribe, and we are going to look at the tornadoes soon. Bye.